Sunhats are becoming a common sight in Athens during the summer. More tourists are wearing hats to protect themselves from the intense heat. The Acropolis attracted about 4.6 million visitors in 2025. Many tourists spend hours outside in temperatures above 30 degrees Celsius. There is very little shade around some of Athens' most popular ancient sites. Extreme heat is making sun protection more important for tourists. Health campaigners are raising awareness of the risks of ultraviolet exposure. Red Cross volunteers are giving tourists sunscreen, water, and information about heat stroke. Hat sales in central Athens have increased in recent years. Some visitors buy hats as souvenirs, while others wear them for protection from the sun. Hat makers in Athens are also seeing more people take an interest in stylish hats. Hats are becoming both a practical way to stay cool and a fashionable accessory.